Do you want to check your watch history on Twitter X? While X does not provide a dedicated watch history section, there are a few ways to find videos you've watched before. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To check your watch history on your X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile picture and open Settings and Privacy. Inside the Settings menu, select your account. Here, you may find options related to your account data and activity. If you want a detailed record of your activity, tap on Download an archive of your data. Follow the verification steps and request your account archive. Once your archive is ready, download it and review your account activity information. You can also check your likes, bookmarks, and recently engaged posts to find videos you've watched before.